Well, we're on the road. We did have to load the car up today because I didn't have anyone to follow me up there to Lowman Rods and be able to bring me home. So we were originally going to drive the car up. So the goal is to be able to drive this car and drive it often. So and so far we've tried to really do that. But one of the goals for the updates at Lowman Rods, thanks to them again for getting the car in relatively soon. We did order all the parts first, so we have a brand new Tremec 5-speed going in, but you have to get the bell housing, all the adapters, flywheel, clutch, everything to go with this. So we ordered it all. That took a few weeks to get in, so grateful there, but we have to get all that to adapt to the 392 Hemi that is currently in the car. So we think that the tunnel may have to be rebuilt. The drive shaft will have to be shortened because this transmission is slightly longer. We'll have to do a new shifter, so that will all change. Hence, we'll also do a new tunnel in it. And then just a few small updates. We're going to put LED taillights in it, just make sure it's bright enough in the back. Tail lights currently, or brake lights currently aren't working. So just a few little odds and ends. A new glass in the driver's door that is cracked. So really just trying to make it our own. We did the new numbers on the side thanks to my son Luke. So off to Lowman Rods we go. We will share several updates and some of the progress as the build updates continue, and once we get it on the road here, we'll do that. After the car is done at Lowman Rods, it will then go to Speed and Design in Nashville, Tennessee, and we're going to get the seat kind of more made for me. We're going to get it pushed down a little bit and back a little bit, so I have a little bit more leg room to be able to stretch out and get comfortable for my back. My back isn't the best, so we'll get it all dialed in. We're going to do a rubber mat, maybe a little bit more insulation, and really it's springtime. We're ready to go. So excited again to take the car here today. We'll show you a little bit more as we get up to Lowman Rods and inside their shop, and ready to go. So Lowman Rods, here we come. Well, we made it here to Lowman Rods in Tipp City, Ohio. We're just slightly north of Dayton, Ohio, so right off of I-75/70, so easy to get here if you ever want to consider them to do some work for you. Again, they've done a lot for us over the years. They built the Roadster, they built the 41 Willys for us, they did the Rockney Coupe, they've worked on I don't know how many other countless vehicles that we've had. But we are ready to pull the 413 Coupe in, and it will undergo some changes here soon. So let's give you a quick walk around before we pull it in. So there's over 300, I counted it, it's like 372 louvers throughout the build. So you'll see the Hemi poking out the side. We did lose the chrome rings on the wheels. We got the tires, all brand new tires in the rear, and then the tires were all shaved, so you'll see that in the previous video here. And then really everything is louvered underneath. It's full quick change, real old school, and it is getting ready to get a brand new 5-speed. We're going to get a few other updates here as well, but excited to get this one ready for springtime and just drive it like crazy. Okay, we got Bobby pulling it in.
Flip your two switches back. Flip your two switches.
Well, she's home here for a while here at Lowman Rods in good company. So this is kind of inside their finish shop. They have a body shop, they have a fab shop as well, but kind of joined in here. This car goes out. They just did some touch up on this car, fixed a little spot in the back end, blended it all. So real neat coupe, 34. Here's the Cadillac build. So this one is riding on an Art Morrison chassis. Lowman Rods built this entire car. Super nice, all leather interior, Cadillac power. This one will be going home to the owner soon. And then this one is being assembled, this 57 Chevy delivery, and it is all fuel injected. So you'll see this real nice car, all slick inside out. So Bobby's just putting this one together. Dash just went in, wiring is starting, and all painted inside here as well. So a real neat kind of a greenish teal color. So the 413 coupe is at home and it begins. We'll show you here more updates as it progresses. Well, that's it for today's video. Thanks again to Lowman Rods, Tipp City, Ohio, for getting the car in. We're excited for some of the updates. Thanks again to Randy with Lake City Rod and Custom for selling us the car. It'll always be his car in a way. Great guy, great hot rod. We're just trying to improve upon what Randy did with it and try to make it our own a little bit so we can get out on the road even more. But hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up if you like today's video, and comment below what would you like to see as we progress in the build. And stay tuned for more videos. We do have more work coming up on the Roadster here soon, as well as we'll show a little bit on the 5-window build with Steadfast hot rods as well. So all of our hot rods are going through some changes over the winter, and you can check out our OBS build with Smith & Speed a few videos ago. So give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching today. Until the next time.